Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight I want to talk a little bit about the weather. We got some storms coming in and we're supposed to have them for 3 days. And not good. 2 to 3 days anyway. But because we got a cold front coming in and it's going to stir up some thunderstorms. They said some of them could be bad. So, not looking forward to that. Not at all. How was your day? I hope you had a wonderful day. I did. I watched movies and stayed in and spent time with mom and family and friends. Just relaxed and watched movies. And tonight it's supposed to start raining with some thunderstorms, and tomorrow more thunderstorms will arrive and continue into Monday. So, supposed to get 1 to 2 inches of rain. So, not looking forward to that. It's been a wet February, and now it's going to be a wet March. So, I've got that feeling. So, like I said, it was a wet February and now a wet March. So, this is going to be rainy, rainy, rainy. And the ground's already wet from the February wet weather and snow and ice and rain from February. So, but now here it is March, and now we're getting a lot of rain. So, at the end of the month, I'll show you a new item, but that will be at the end of each and every month, plus the items. Excuse me. My sinus is acting up, folks. The end of the month, like I said, I'll show you a new LP vinyl record, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I still have yet to show. And tomorrow night I'll try to resume with a collection, but that will be tomorrow night, plus what I got still yet to show. I got the world's largest library of LP vinyl records, cassettes, CDs, DVDs. I've got lots of items. Lots of items. And I'm going to show them all to you here on YouTube. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video. And bye for now.